Western India has been always at the forefront of Make in India. Not only Make in India, Make at Mr. has been our mission. We are the only global company manufacturing laser cutting machines in India, a feat which no other company can boast of. We have the world-class, state-of-the-art infrastructure capable of producing the best products for our customers consistently. This masterly crafted infrastructure gives us the freedom and the self-reliance to make our machines faster, better, and stronger. Let's have a look at the ingeniously built infrastructure inside our factory now. Western India's Multitam Eco, the first machine built at Western India's facility. 11 years of non-stop performance, cutting at its best. 5 meter long, 400 ton CNC press brake, capable of building 10 mm thick plate. Burr managed, smoke free and water free building facility managed by highly skilled welders. 9 meter long stress relieving furnace to completely relieve the internal stresses caused by the secondary processes. 2 magnificent double column gantry type CNC milling machines with 5-phase heads. One 9 meter long with 24 ATC and the other 10 meter long with 40 ATC. 9 meter long shot blasting machine for effective surface cleaning and preparation before painting. 9 meter long painting booth and drying oven alongside shot blasting machine ensures effective and long lasting painting. Warehouse with ample space for storing parts for machine building in complete sync with 5S practices. Machines are built by highly experienced engineers with a passion for quality. A single team is responsible for the entire machine building process. Dedicated infrastructure for building laser machines. Machines are built by highly competent engineers. Clinically clean airways. Production of oxyfuel products like regulators and torches by adhering to all the safety requirements. At war zone, all the quality issues and non-conformances are analyzed either with AD or other problem-solving tools, and robust corrective actions are initiated. Western India's Jamocom Training Academy, fully equipped for demonstrating virtual and live demos. The demo center is equipped with the latest method products, fiber laser, material handling, claw mill, and Element 400. We strongly believe that right infrastructure, right processes, and right mindset will produce quality. We have the right infrastructure. We have the right processes embedded in the best practices. For the right mindset, beyond competence, caliber, and capability, we constantly work with the minds of people to believe inbuilt quality is possible. Right mindset is the spark which triggers the entire process. Our quality engineering department is relentlessly working with all the process owners across the organization to make inbuilt quality a reality. I warmly welcome you to our facility at Coimbatore to witness the true Make in India movement happening towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.